Alright, good morning guys. Okay. Punta tayo ngayon dito sa DCF guys. Okay, so napapansin nyo, withdrawal na naman yung gagawin natin. Claim na naman po tayo ng rewards. Yung kinita natin sa direct indirect, okay? Pati yung sinatawag nating dividends or yung parang share every 24 hours. Now, meron tayo ngayon ditong USDT, so 7 USDT and DCF wala po, no? So dito, pasok po ako sa website, connect wallet po natin. Yan. So from Connect Wallet. So this is, we called it decentralized finance. So hindi mo kailangan mag-login yung email mo or password. Kino-connect lang siya through using Trust Wallet, Trust Wallet or I'm using Bitget right now. So dito kasi, yan, no, active na naman yung play ko. I need to play again. Para madagdagan tong 28 US dollar ko, USDT, maging 33. Yun lang yung kanyang passive, no? Of approximately 18% din yan per month. So this time kasi, meron din siyang income sa sa mga referrals, no? So ito yung mga referrals natin from the manager. Click mo yung button na yan. As of the moment, grabe guys, I have total members of 2,265 and my members played is 22,207. Grabe. So ito yung mga active levelings, no? Active levels. So first floor, may 12 akong direct. Nag-direct na ako ng 12 guys para qualified na ako sa lahat ng kitaan sa direct and direct. Plus sa daily dividends natin sa rank. So rank 1 na po ako. Then ito, bawat percentage yan guys, meron tayo yung 0.4 USDT sa first level, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Grabe guys. So ito yung total earnings natin. Ito yung na-enjoy natin daily from the manager. This is my income. Whew. And my rank is star, 1 star. Then guys, my total income dito at the moment is $763. But yesterday income is 38.33. Yung direct referral bonus ko po, ang maganda rito sa direct referral bonus, paulit-ulit lang po siya nagkakaroon ng direct referral. Every 3 days I'm enjoying direct referral. It's like forever. Okay? So indirect bonus guys, i-claim na natin, withdraw na natin. Meron tayong 92.3, then may rank bonus tayo na $11. So withdraw natin at the same time. Dalawa yan ha. So i-claim natin siya through DCF first. Kanina wala akong DCF sa wallet ko. Meron lang akong 7 USDT. So i-claim natin yan. Ganito lang kasimple mag-claim ng mga rewards sa income kay DCF. I will withdraw. Approximately, ayan, signature. So dito guys, no need to withdrawal, no need KYC. That's why we called it decentralized. It's immediate, you can get your income. So approximately I will get the 11,823 on DCF form. So yan. Okay. So papasok yan sa DCF ko. Mamaya sa wallet babalik tayo kasi i-withdraw ko na rin yung rank bonus. Na 11, sasabay ko na pagka-claim. So ang halaga noon approximately $92 ba yon? Then ito, I will draw the rank bonus as well. Grabe guys, sasabay ko na. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano history ng claiming natin sa DCF. So ang tanong, nabipera ba yung DCF? Ito may 1,284. Okay. So I claim. Grabe guys, ito na yung nangyayari, no? So nasa DCF na po siya. Okay. Let's check natin yung DCF wallet ko. Okay, then mamaya, dahil yung $7 natin, nakikita mo, dadagdagan natin yung isa-sell natin immediately. Gamit dito sa swap natin dito sa loob mismo ng DCF. May swap yan guys. So yun, okay. So tingnan mo na sa wallet kung nandun na sa ating Trust Wallet or DCF. Refresh mo lang yan guys. Ayun, no. So meron na siyang total 13,109 DCF. Ang halaga niya is $101. Tingnan natin yung naging history. Ito yung pumasok na 11,824 plus yung pangalawa is 1,285. Grabe guys, so approximately $100. Perahin natin yan, madadagdag yan sa US dollar natin. So kaya 112 na yung pera natin. Pero nasa form pa po siya nung ng DCF natin. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ibebenta natin siya through my DCF website. Okay, eto Connect Wallet. Balik tayo dyan. Then I will swap it immediately guys. Ito from swap. You're very excited. I will max. So in 13,000, tanggalin ko lang yung butal. So 13,109 guys. So approximately I will receive $101. Simple lang, swap mo lang. Then USDT na agad yan. Just click and click lang, 13,000, papalitan niya ng 98 because may mga charging fees yan. So, $4 din pala yun, no? Okay. Still is good money because came from direct and direct. Araw-araw po, nag-income po ako dyan $30, $38, $40, $50 every day. Dito sa income natin dito. Yan, $98 guys. So, na-receive na natin. So, kung pupunta tayo sa eksaktong wallet, guys, labas na tayo dyan. Yun, tingnan mo, USDT na, guys. Na-swap na po siya. Alright! So, happy earnings. Ganyan lang po. Ka-excited ang DCF, guys. Huwag mo tumpik-tumpik kung wala pa kayong mga link. Let's do it together. Happy earnings. It's decentralized. No need the KYC. No need the mga unwithdrawable ang tawag dito, mga pending guys. This is happy to tell you, decentralized is the future of the finance. So mabuhay tayo. Happy earnings everyone.